Next problem is finding the area that lies inside the cardioid or equal to a into 1 plus cos theta and outside the circle or equal to a by double integration. Okay. So here in this problem we have only the radius of a cardioid, this one, and the circle of radius of a circle. Okay. So which using that we are going to draw a figure now. First, let us draw a figure. Okay, so this is your 0. Okay, so here we have the theta only. So using the cos theta and sin theta values we are going to find. So here this is your theta line, and this side theta equal to your pi, theta equal to 0 here, and so this is from pi to 0, right? This line is from pi to 0. So what is the half of this line, this axis? So it will be theta equal to the half, so pi by 2. Okay, so 4 quadrant. So this is first, second, third and fourth. Okay, so half of this is pi by 2. So that means it is pi by 2. Now let us draw a circle first. What they have mentioned, outside the circle, cardia is inside, which means I am going to draw the cardiac first. Cardioid. Okay, so now I am going to draw a circle. This is your circle. Right? So this is your circle and the black mark is your cardioid. Now I am going to mark the radius. Okay. So from 0, we have to start from 0 to, this is your cardioid, right? So from 0 to here, your radius is r equal to a into 1 plus cos theta. Okay, so this is the radius, and the next radius is this circle radius. This circle radius is what is the circle radius given in the question? Your r equal to a, right? So now I am going to find this point and this point, the joining points. Okay, where are the joining points? In the theta line. Okay, that means pi to 0 line. The cardia is joining here and your circle is joined here. So let us find the values now. Using the table, I am going to find the values. So we have the table that we have the thetas, that is from 0 to your pi is the figure, right? From 0 to pi is the figure, but we have the image where you are going to find only the region, this region. You are going to find this region, which means outside the circle and inside the chorioid. This is what we are going to find. So which means your, where is this region is? This region is lies between our 0 point to the pi by 2 point. Okay, we are going to find this shaded region only. Okay, so this shaded region lies between our 0 point, I mean 0 degree and pi by 2 degrees. So 0 degree and pi by 2. So this is where your region is here, this region, right? So we are going to find it. So we have, what are the thetas we have? R equal to a into 1 plus cos theta and r equal to a. So this is the values we have, the radius. So first, So what happened here? A into 1 plus, what is the value of cos theta? For cos theta, I am going to apply 0. What is the value of cos 0? Which is 1. Okay. So it will become 2a. What is the value of cos pi by 2? Cos pi by 2 equal to 0. Cos 0 equal to 1. Okay. So cos pi by 2 value is 0. So R equal to a into 1 plus 0. So your R is going to be just a. Clear? Now the next one. Here we don't have any thetas in this radius. So it is going to be same. So R equal to a, and we don't have any theta. So again R equal to a. So there is no changes in your circle. Okay. Now using this table, we are going to mark the connected points. So this is your cardioid. This is your cardioid. Cardioid. This is circle. Okay. So this is your circle, right? Where is the circle? In the 0 line. Where is the circle lies? The 0 circle line lies between R equal to A, which means in your 0 point, your R is A. That means A comma 0. It is A comma 0 line. Okay. Next one. This one, your cardioid. This is your cardioid, right? So where is this lies? In the 0 point at the 0 at what? 2a. So I'm going to write this point as 2a comma 0. Clear? That's all. Our point marking is over now. We got all the connected points and we know the radius. Now we can integrate. Okay. And also we can just mark the connected areas. I'm going to mark it as A. Okay. And this is your B. And this is your C. Randomly I'm marking. You can mark wherever you want. Okay. And this region is going to be your D, E. This is, as usual, O, E. And this point is F. And this is G. And this one. This is H. Okay. You can mark anywhere you want, but you should be clear about the marking. You can mark whatever you want. Okay. Right. Now, according to your marking, you have to take the areas. So what is the area formula? We are going to find the area. So for finding the area, what is the area we want to find here? So this shaded region only we are going to find. Okay. So this region is I have done here. This is the region we have to find, and also we have a region on the downside. So the second half. Okay. So both the region we have to find. This is what we are going to find now. So we know only the radius and everything for the upper side only. Okay. So but we have two different part. The first part and the second part. Okay. So two different part. So we can write it two. So I'm going to multiply it twice. So 2 times A. What are the value points? A, F, G, and C. This is your B. That's all. And A. So starts from A and ended at A. Okay, so let us write now. So 2 times your A, F, G, C, B, A. Okay, that's all. Now we can integrate. So twice, what is A to F? From A to F. Your A to F is 0 to pi by 2. Okay, and next one, integral A to A into 1 plus cos theta. So R into D or d theta. So this is your 0, this is pi, and these two integrations. So these are all just your joinings, okay, the connected points. But this is the integration we have 0 to pi by 2, from 0 to pi by 2, and from this one and this one. So those are the integrations we have done for twice. Now we are going to calculate the integration. So 2 times 0 to pi by 2. So integrated with respect to our r. Okay, this one, which means your r square by 2. This is going to be your r equal to a into 1 plus cos theta, and here your r equal to a d theta. So 2 integral 0 to pi by 2 into, now I am going to substitute the upper limit. So a square 1 plus cos theta the whole square by 2 minus the lower limit. Your r is here a. So a square by 2 into d theta. Now we can take our a square and 2 outside. Okay, I am going to take this 2 and a outside the integral. So 2 a square by 2 integral 0 to pi by 2. Yeah, this 2 will get cancelled. The remaining terms we have 1 plus cos theta the whole square. It is in the form of a plus b the whole square, right? So we can write in the form of a plus b square, and minus, what is this? This term went already outside. Okay, a square and 2a. Commonly we have taken outside, so there will be only 1 into d theta. Now we can express this a square integral 0 to pi by 2. What happens here? 1 plus cos square theta plus 2 cos theta minus 1. This minus 1 is this. Okay. So we can cancel this minus. So we have integral 0 to pi by 2. Your cos square theta can be written as 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. Okay. Plus this one. 2 cos theta into d theta. What is the next one? Next step. A square integral 0 to pi by 2 into 1 plus. So I'm going to take this 2 outside, and here it will become 4, right? So there is no 2 here. So if I multiply it and divide it by 2, then it will become 4, and this 2 can be taken outside. So a square by 2 integral 0 to pi by 2 1 plus cos 2 theta. This was become as 4 cos theta multiplied and divided by 4 into d theta equal to a square by 2 into, now I am going to integrate this with respect to d theta. Integrating this with respect to d theta. So what is the first one? We have 1. So if what happened? The 1, if we integrated, it will become theta. Plus if I integrate cos theta, then it will become sin 2 theta by 2. Plus 4 cos theta can be written, was integrated. It will become sin theta. into nothing. So here your theta equal to 0 and theta equal to pi by 2. So a square by 2 a square by 2. So this theta will become pi by 2. So for theta I am going to substitute pi by 2 plus sine 2 into pi by 2 by 2. So this 2 will get cancelled plus 4 sine pi by 2 minus the lower limits. For theta it will become 0 and sine 2 into 0 by 2 plus 4 sine 0. So a square by 2 pi by 2 plus what is the value of sine pi? What is the value of sine pi? Sine pi is equal to 0. Okay. So the sine pi will become 0. So 0 by 2 is 0 plus this one. What is the value of sine pi by 2? Your sine pi by 2 is equal to 1. So 4 into sine pi by 2 is 1 minus this is 0, this is 0 and this one is also 0. So a square by, I can take this 2 outside commonly. So this 4 will become 8. So a square by 4, we have pi. This 2 was taken outside and we have 4 here. So what happens? Commonly taken outside, then it will become divided by 1 into 2 into 2. So it will become 8. So square units. That's all.